Just like keyboards have surged in popularity for their precision and tactile satisfaction, LEGO Creator sets are captivating builders of all ages with their versatility, detail, and replay value. Whether you're a nostalgic adult, an aspiring architect, or a curious kid, LEGO Creator kits blend imaginative play with engineering skills. This guide evaluates each set based on design creativity, piece count, difficulty level, versatility, and overall value, helping you find the best LEGO Creator sets to build and display. List 1. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Retro Camera Toy. This LEGO Creator 3-in-1 retro camera set is a brilliant choice for photography lovers and retro tech fans. It lets you build and transform between a vintage camera, a classic video camera, and a retro TV. With charming design touches like a film roll, lens details, and retro color schemes, this set is all about creative expression. Despite a smaller piece count, the building experience is still rewarding and fun. List 2. LEGO Creator Expert Assembly Square 10255 Building Kit, 4,002 pieces. For the experienced builder, the LEGO Creator Expert Assembly Square is the ultimate modular challenge. With over 4,000 pieces, it offers a rich building experience featuring multiple shops, cafes, and apartments, all beautifully detailed. Part of the modular building series, it seamlessly connects with other sets for an expanding LEGO city. Inside, you'll find intricate interiors like a bakery, music store. List number: LEGO Icons Boutique Hotel Model Kits. Display building for adults. Designed for adult builders, the LEGO Icons Boutique Hotel is a stylish and detailed model, perfect for display. This 3-story building features a luxurious hotel with Art Deco influences, a rooftop terrace, and elegant interior design. Geared for ages 18+, it's part of LEGO's sophisticated Icons line, known for complex structures and realism. With its unique angular layout and color palette, this set makes a statement on a shelf or desk. List 4. LEGO Creator Main Street 31141 Building Toy Set. 3-in-1 Art Deco style. This 3-in-1 LEGO Creator Main Street set is an excellent option for city building enthusiasts who love flexibility. Builders can assemble a street-level Art Deco building, Market Street, or a city corner cafe, all with vibrant color and minifig functionality. The modular build allows for easy rearranging, and it's compatible with other LEGO city-style sets. While it's less intricate than some expert sets. List 5. Silbird Robot Building Kit with Remote Control STEM Robotic Toy. Although not a LEGO brand set, the Silbird Robot Building Kit is a fantastic LEGO-compatible STEM toy for ages 8 to 12. It features remote-controlled functionality, allowing kids to build a programmable robot using Technic-style bricks. This kit encourages early engineering, logic, and coding skills with its modular pieces and easy-to-use controls. The end result is a fully functioning robot that moves and reacts to commands, perfect for tech-savvy kids.